Are 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters good or bad? Quality 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters can be installed as aftermarket parts between the hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality wheel adapters can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including cosmetic changes, brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, better handling, and more. 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track view appearance. Installing 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increase in the wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These wheel adapters can help in carrying larger rims and wider tires for rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension. The 5x5 inches to 5x4.75 inches wheel adapters provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling wheel adapters are designed to perform well in heavy duty at any time of 4x4 event. These wheel adapters have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS active cooling wheel adapters are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheels based on where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spaces. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat expansion effect and improving road safety. All BONOSS wheel adapters kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS active cooling wheel adapters come with a 10-year warranty, giving customer peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling wheel adapters are surely a good option for your driving needs. So if you want to get the BONOSS wheel adapters for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.